Listen carefully and stay with me. This website can help you earn through some activities, including high-paying surveys, referring others, completing offers, being paid to promote, and participate in several contests. You'll see all of this on their homepage, and you have the freedom to choose what you want to do. But to make it easier to understand, we'll focus on advertisers' benefits, which you'll see if you scroll down through the website. This is what I was saying earlier, that you can get extra money just by clicking on ads. If you're worried that this website is not legit, then you can scroll through the website where they can show you the total ad visualization, total members, total offers completed, and of course, total paid. If this is still not enough, then the website also provides you with payment proof. You can even see the flags beside the usernames of people who've already received their payouts from the site. There are also multiple payment methods that you can use, such as Skrill, bank transfer, and of course, PayPal. What I want you to do right now is scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on the words that say Proof of Payments. It'll redirect you to the page that I was talking about. You'll see the usernames of people in the country where they're based. Even the amount they receive will be visible on this page. It doesn't hurt to try since you won't be spending anything, and you can join the hundreds of people who already trusted this website and are now earning extra cash by following very easy and simple steps. In order for you to really start earning from this, you first need to create your free account. Now, go back to the homepage and I want you to click on the Register button, which you'll see in the upper right corner of your screen. You'll then be redirected to another page that will require you to fill out some necessary information. You need to provide your full name, username, email, birth year, birthplace, and password. Click the checkbox that says, I am not a robot. And click on the checkbox regarding the terms of service of Adaclix.net. Once you're through with this, you can now see the leaderboards. This will show you the users that made the most money from when they started. I hope their total earnings keep you going, because you can earn as much or even more than what they've already earned. Of course, you also want to see your name on the leaderboards, and I'll help you with that one. You can see on your account page that there are banner ads. Well, the more banner ads that you click, the more money you will earn. If you click on one of the banner ads, you'll be taken to a random website. In order to earn from this ad, you just have to stay on that website for at least 30 minutes. You don't need to do anything while you're on the random website. But for you to get extra money and have it credited to your Adaclix account, you have to at least scroll up and down from time to time. If you're wondering why, then if you don't scroll through it, it'll make you look like an automated machine and there will be no money credited to your Adaclix account. This is a common mistake that lots of people make. They think that once they open the banner ads, it'll automatically put money into their account. Now that you know this, you can avoid making the same mistake. The second way to earn and get as much money as you can from this website is to click on Daily Fix Ads. This one is much more convenient, and you'll have the opportunity to earn more money in a shorter period of time. You just have to wait for 10 to 15 seconds to get paid. There are also reviews and proofs that this one is as legitimate as the first method. You can also see it in the proof of payment section. Don't worry, I'll also help you out with this one, and the process is as simple as the first method. All you have to do is choose any Daily Fix ad and click on it. You'll then be taken to another random website. If the first method required you to spend at least half an hour on the website, this one will only require you to stay for at least 10 seconds. Just like what I previously said, you'll also need to have some activity on this one. It's not really complicated since you'll just have to prove that you're not a robot and you can just scroll through the website for a short period of time. Imagine having to spend a few seconds on some random page and you'll instantly get money from that. It's still better than scrolling through your social media without getting anything. The best part is that you can click as many ads as you want, and you can do it whenever you have free time. This won't take much of your time, and that's really amazing if you're just looking for a side hustle that'll not ask you to offer any technical skills. The sky's the limit, because you are the one who's going to decide how much time you're going to spend on this website. We are not yet done, and I'm proud of you for staying until this part because you really listened to what I said earlier. Since you're still here, I'll be sharing a bonus technique with you. I advise you to click and finish 5 daily fix ads every day because if you do this, you'll then have access to standard ads. This will allow you to multiply your earnings. When you click on any standard ad, you'll again be redirected to another website. For this one, you have to stay on the website for at least 30 seconds. Just like our 2 previous ads, you have to scroll through the website from time to time to make sure that they know that you're a real person that visited their site. You'll see in the leaderboards that a lot of people are earning from referral earnings. This is also a very simple and easy way of earning hundreds of dollars. You'll just have to invite other people to join AdClicks, be it your friends, family, schoolmates, or coworkers. You can invite whoever you want and get extra money from that. The next website I want you to visit is dimeforum.com. This will show you hundreds of discussions by users all around the globe. This website was meant to share knowledge and ideas from people about how to make more money online. You can join this forum to learn more. But how are you going to use Dime Forum to maximize your earnings in AdClicks? It's really simple, and I'll tell you how. You can actually generate traffic from this website by answering some questions. Just search for keywords that are related to making money online, and you'll get tons of results. You can click on any result and scroll through the bottom until you reach the part where you will respond. Just refer AdClicks.net to these people who are looking for ways to earn online, and when they sign up with your referral link, you will also get paid.